morning everyone. My name is Krushnapriya Panda. I am studying now ETC in UCP Engineering School at Berhampur. Now I am going to introduce my seminar topic, that is robotics. Robotics is a branch of engineering and science that include electronic engineering, mechanical engineering and computer science and so on. This branch deals with the design, construction used to control robots, sensor feedback and information processing. Here is my table content. Introduction, what is robotics, history, the three laws of robotics, why robotics, type of robotics, components of robots, advantage, future prospects, reference. Introduction. With growing development in the field of mechatronics and mathematics modeling, robotics has come a long way. From an iron piece that could move only a few inches, there are now machines capable of jumping from high-rise buildings, detecting landmines, performing operation and troubleshooting. What is robotics? The word robotics is used to collectively define a field in engineering that covers the mimicking of various human characteristics. Sound concept in many engineering disciplines is needed for working in this field. It finds its use in all aspects of our history. The term robot got prominence way back in the 1950s when Carl Capek, in his play Resumes Universal Robots, denoted the birth of superior race that had intelligence similar to that of humans. Later on, Isaac Asimov introduced his laws of robots, and finally, Ira Illenberger, who is considered as the father of robotics, introduced real-time robots to the world. The three laws of robotics. A robot may not injure a human being or thought inaction allow a human being to come to harm. A robot must obey the orders given it by human beings except where such orders would conflict with the first law. A robot must protect its own existence long as such protection does not conflict with the first or second law. Why robotics is important? Because of speed, it can work hazardous or dangerous environment to perform repetitive tasks, efficiency, accuracy, adaptability. Types of robots: mobile robots, rolling robots, walking robots, stationary robots, autonomous robots, remote control robots. Mobile robots are able to move easily. They perform tasks such as search areas. A prime example is the Mars Explorer, specifically designed to roam the Mars surface. Mobile robots are a great help to search collapsed buildings for survivor. Mobile robots are used for tasks where people cannot go, either because it is too dangerous or because people cannot reach the area that need to be searched. Rolling robots. Rolling robots have wheels to move around. These are the type of robots that can quickly and easily search, move around. However, they are only useful in flat areas. Rocketarians give them a hard time. Flat terrains are their territory. Walking robots. Robots on legs are usually brought brought in when the terrain is rocky and difficult to enable with wheels. Robots have a hard time shifting balance and keep them from tumbling. That's why most robots with have at least four of them. Usually they have six legs or more. Even when they lift one or more legs, they still keep their balance. Development of legged robots is often modeled after insects or crayfish. Stationary robots. Robots are not only used to explore areas or imitate a human being. Most robots perform repeating tasks without ever moving an inch. Most robots are working in industrial settings, especially dull and repeating tasks are suitable for robots. A robot never grows tired. It will perform its duty day and night without ever complaining. In case the tasks at hand are done, the robot will be reprogrammed to perform other tasks. Autonomous robots are self-supporting or in other words self-contained. In a way, they rely on their own brains. Remote control robots. An autonomous robot is despite its autonomous not a very clever or intelligent unit. The memory and brain capacity is usually limited. An autonomous robot can be compared to an insect in that respect. In case a robot needs to perform more complicated yet under undetermined tasks, an autonomous robot is not the right choice. Components of robots: structure, power source, actuation, sensing, manipulation, locomotion. Structure. The structure of robot is usually mostly mechanical and can be called a kinematic chain. The chain is formed of links, actuators, and joints which can allow one or more degrees of freedom. Power source. Suitable power supply is needed to run the motors and associated circuitry. Typical power requirement range from 3 volt to 24 volt DC. 220 volt AC supply must be modified to suit the needs of our machine. Batteries can also be used to run robots. Robots are driven by different motors: DC motors, stepper motors, servo motors. Actuation. Actuators are the muscles of a robot, the parts which convert stored energy into movement. The most popular actuators are electric motors. Manipulation. Robot which must work in the real world require some way to manipulation object, pick up, modify, destroy, or otherwise have an effect. Thus, the hand of robots are often referred to as end effectors, while the arm is referred to as a manipulator. Some manipulators are mechanical grippers, vacuum grippers, general purpose effectors. Locomotion. It is concerned with the motion of the robot. Robot contains different types of drives: differential drive, car drive, skid steer, synchronous, pivotal drive, articulated drive. Advantages: revolution in medical science and healthcare systems, new and wide scope in education and training, a good help in nuclear industry, use thermodynamically in sport activities, play the role of an efficient assistant in research and development. Science can very well handle household business. Future prospects: scientists say that it is possible that a robot brain will exist by 2009. Werner Vinge has suggested that a movement may come when computer and robot are smarter than humans. In 2009, some robots acquired various forms of semi-autonomous, including being able to find power source on their own. The Association for the Advancement of Artificial Intelligence has researched on this problem. Reference: thank you for watching and listening my video.